sikhuluma isiZulu angisho.
Usazi musi isizulu. Ngadlala. Guys, yabona nina ngishilo mina ngathi if awusazi Stavela awusazi and angeke usaphinde usazi if awusazi. Please introduce yourself to our viewers wethu ngegama lakho isibongo sakho usho nokuthi bodlalela iphi team today.
Sanibonani igama lami uSibusiso Lolo Magadla. Ngihlala eDavidson. Namhlanje besingapha elo eThembisa behlalela iDitau FC. Yahliwe kuma penalty but we had a good game. Unfortunately ama chances wethu azanye siwathathe and then sabulaleka kuma penalty but abachita bathashile namhlanje. Ngihappy ngeperformance abachita.
Okay. Before siyakude ngicela ukuthi ungenzele ipyramid yabo ema teams okay wadlalela until manje.
Okay. Actually yizoba bhlungu yazi. Okay, but ngicale kulo kubashiba ku Shakespeare Shiba ngisakhula ngimncane and then ngaya ku Sister Monica. Mangisuka Sister Monica ngaya ku Chupchup. Wonke lama team wase Davidson. Mangisuka la ku Sister Monica ku Chupchup I mean. Sadlala enye top 8 ne CS Galaxy and then bang scouts lapho ku CS Galaxy under 17 and then ku CS Galaxy ngadlala I think 8 months and then kwaba nenye tournament abathi lo iEngine under 18 from ku Engine ngabonwa iPirates ne Sundowns and then mangifika rana ngaya ku Sundowns after the tournament iphela I think ngaba nabo for like 3 days or I think 3 days. And then from there, Pirates, that's okay, we interested in you, and then ngaya ku Pirates. Ngafike ngadlala 2 seasons ku Pirates. And then manje ngihleli kasi, angina team but ngisaphushe diskin umoya ukaphela and angeke kuphela.
So when yini into ekumotivate ukuthi udlale ibhola? Kuzo zonke lama career la wakhona, yini into ekumotivate ukuthi udlale ibhola?
Into engenze ngadlala ibhola ukuthi ngumuntu othanda ukubukwa ne. Ngithanda ukubukwa and the style of play sami naso yabo sangilo senza same thing yabo like mangidlala uviyasa abantu bayajabula so nami into engichazile ukuthi okay singizame yabo lento lena ngibalande yabo I'm a very direct winger in fact angishayi madolo ngiya straight kuwe yabo so into engimotivate ukuthi ngichubeke ngiphushe so each and every game engidlalayo like mangenza into enhle yabo leyo nto le ya grow and then so uthando nalo lebhola liqine likhula because mawenza into right yabo uyachazeka nabantu nabo yabo
Okay. So far since uqalile ukudlala ibhola wena which is the toughest opponent okay wabhekana nayo?
The toughest opponent khona umunye umfana 2024 besihlala neSundowns iDDC ngisese ku Pirates bambiza Kutlwana ngisazi isibongo sakhe so bengidlala angisho nje bengu Sundowns bengijima naye so obvious ejimini bengizama ukumlanda so bekangibona until saba ama opponent and then yangimaka leyatsotsi but nami bengizama yabo nangapha ngimncane emdala yabo but obvious ibhola linakuthi unangakho in but nami bengizama yabo but yena wangimaka but wangimakhele naye azwile yabona ungichaze ukuthi umakha azwile naye yeah.
Alright, so wena njengoba udlala ibhola like how would you like to be remembered? Sekuthiwa mhlawumbe uyaleka ibhola, how would you like to be remembered?
I'd like to be remembered style of play sami yabo style of play sami because asikisho lento la njengoba ngilike us kwamanje angiliboni iwing elingathi yabona sabu Brazilian style nyana ngiliboni so wonke ama wing amadolo so angifuna abantu bangikhumbule ngaleyo nto mina ngifuna bangikhumbule ukuthi awulolo step over 0-1 uyalanda ama rainbow flick yabo lezo zinto lezo ngifuna bangikhumbule ngalezo zinto lezo.
Okay, so wena like us imapha ama player i3 wathandayo ongasho ukuthi la yabo lawa Ntswembu for me
Antswembu ne ngizocala ngo number 3 uTshepango Maphosa.
Okay.
Yeah, good player. I hope I saw it team yabo umchita is very good. And then khona enye uGotmane abathu script uchipas. Yeah uNtswembu. And then yokugcina khona enye uGotmane lami ngijima nalo manje yabo like sajima une team ngale so ngijimela i team yakhe for manje njengoba ngana team yabo ukuthi ngithola ifitness yabo abathu Tibela uGeneral uMavayivay. Yeah, Really best. Yeah.
Start 1.
Okay.
Bench 1.
Okay.
And sell 1.
okay ngithengisa uThepanga uMaphosi milahambi ngipentsha ugeneral ngidlalisa uscript yeah
No, all right. Word of the day nyana before sivala.
believe. That's all I've got to say. Believe. Yabo. Yeah, believe.
No, thank you so much for your time.
Namnyabonga.
Sharp.
Sharp.